Hi guys, welcome to CJ's Keto Kitchen. It's Saturday and I am getting ready to go camping, and I'm going to do keto camping. And it's just going to be the girls and my mom and I, and we're going to be tenting it. So that means we need to pre-prepare some easy keto foods. So today I am going to be making some keto breakfast muffins, which are kind of like a mini quiche in muffin form, so that we'll just be able to warm them up in the morning on our little burner and just be able to eat them for breakfast or brunch or for dinner, whenever. But they'll be a nice portable, complete meal. So that's what I'm going to be preparing today. So come along with me and let's get started.
So in a medium-sized skillet, I am browning 6 sausage links cut into cubes and about 6 strips of bacon. For this recipe, you will need an orange pepper, some spring green onions, a little spinach, some extra sharp cheddar, and some Parmesan. And then this is a combination of sausage and bacon. And then I'm going to need a little bit of half and half and eggs. And that's it. So I just added the orange pepper and the green onion to my already done meat and just letting it saute and soften a little bit in the residual drippings. Once we have mixed all of our ingredients, then we will put them in muffin tins, so they'll be individual serving sizes. I'm going to grease this. I need 4 eggs. And I need about 1.5 cups of cream. So that's 1.5. And I'm going to whisk it with my hand mixer and the whisk attachment. I could have done that in the blender as well if you had wanted to. I'm going to season it. I need a hearty pinch of salt, some of my 21 seasoning salute, and pepper. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of almond flour. This is just going to help bind it a little bit. To build these, first I'm going to take a little bit of cheese, because I like having cheese at the bottom. It provides a faux crust almost, since we're not using any wheat products. I'm going to put my meat. And it's actually my meat and veggie mix. Put a sprinkle of spinach in there. Okay, now I'm going to pour my egg into each cup, and we're going to put them in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Going to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan on top. Okay, 400 degrees, 20 minutes.
So here they are, fresh out of the oven. It ended up taking closer to 30 minutes than 20 minutes. But every oven temperature is different. Thanks for joining me. We're gonna have a fun time camping. Hopefully all of you guys are doing some fun summer things. We hope that you'll come back and see us again on CJ's Keto Kitchen. And if you need any recipe ideas or macros, that is at cjsketokitchen.com. That's our blog. And we would like it if you would consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new content. And we hope that you come back and see us. And we'll see you next time on CJ's Keto Kitchen. Bye.
Unless you got full drive.
They're here. Just on the hard.
Well, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it here.
Hey,
Are you tight?
I'm as tight as I can get it.
Oh, I'll back
I
up.
got a strap.
I'll back up. But I'll back up if you tell me when to stop.
Sure.
Where my ball hitch is about right here. Okay. So I need about a foot and a half to hang up.
Okay, so we got stuck earlier. We went down the beach a little bit further in Grayland, Washington. The road's a bit better here. We're in I have an old minivan, 2-wheel drive, unfortunately. Out here you need 4. So we got stuck before, but we're not stuck now, so we're not trying to go too far out just because we're not as far as where the ocean is. And I'll show you that now. So the ocean is pretty far out, the tide's pretty far out. It is a cool day. We left 90-degree weather and it's probably in the 50s now. So way down the beach is Sarah and the kids enjoying the surf. So anyway, this is typical Washington coast weather.